Right. So here's showing the gesture thing, just for attacks. Um, so we have three buttons. One, uh, this one records, so it records for each attack slot that I currently have. Um, the first one's for the first, second one's for the second, and third for the third, obviously. And then once I've recorded one, all three, I can press this one. This one will then record the gesture I do, and then compare it to the pre-recorded ones. Now these are just for show. In the future, they would be like properly recorded and stuff. So I would do something like this. So I do a motion like that, and then it'll say save gesture to 1. So I'll wait for that to disappear. There you go. And then do the same here, where I do this kind of gesture. Right? So like a gesture like that. Wait for that to disappear. And then for the third one, we'll do like a combination of both. Alright, so now I've saved to all three gestures. And now, depending on if I click the red button, depending on what gesture I do, it'll tell me which one I did. So I'm going to do the second gesture now. And it does, the angle from what I look at doesn't really matter. It's all local spaced. So I'll stand here. I'll do the... Okay, this is the third now, but it's going to compare it. It's going to show, okay, this is the... It's actually lagging because the shader I used is kind of shady for this, but whatever. You get the point. I did the third one. So now let's do the second one, which was like this. And then it displays the one. It tells you match gesture 2. And now let's do the first one, where it's like this motion, and then it does that, shows the recorded motion, and yeah, I wrote that entire system from scratch. Took a couple months probably, but it works now, and the like actual game, the way you would do it is you would hold both your triggers, do the gesture, and then release, and then it would do the entire thing. Yeah. I hope it works.